Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. First of all, a very Merry Christmas from the Currency Desk of Sher Khan to all our viewers. On Friday, we had seen a sharp fall in the value of Indian rupee. This was mainly because of the risk of sentiments which have started off in the markets. This risk of sentiments has been mainly fueled by the fact that we did not have any resolution of the fiscal cliff issue. All the proposals that were proposed by the US were rejected, and in the end we have the US facing the fiscal cliff issue on the face. Right now only very few days are remaining after the Christmas holidays wherein they can actually come out with a solution, but if that does not happen, then the fiscal cliff will definitely be implemented. Again, on the Indian front as well, we had some weakness in the Indian rupee showing. We have some year-end demand from the importers, basically the oil importers, who are coming into the market to buy the dollars in the fear that the dollar will rise further in the coming days. Again, on the US front as well, we had few disappointing data. First of which was US Michigan Confidence Index, which came in lower than expected. Again, we had the US durable goods data, which came in lower than expected. So all in all, it portrays a negative picture for the Indian rupee, and we could see some weakness in the coming days. Right now, we recommend a buy in the USD INR above 55.36 levels in the spot. In terms of euro, we saw sharp correction in the euro against the US dollar. It has come down below 1.32 levels. Until the time it remains below 1.32, it could well stabilize around this levels or go down even further. What was adding to the fall was the fact that we had certain negative data from the European countries. First of which was German GfK Consumer Confidence Index, which came in lower than expected. So all in all, we can expect the trend for the euro to remain sideways or weak for 2013 until and unless we have some major solutions, major moves, major changes being brought in by the euro, like the European Monetary Union, wherein they are planning to combine all the centralized authorities. Currently, since euro against the Indian rupee is trading at lifetime highs based on the relative weakness in the Indian rupee, we recommend a buy above 73.05 in the spot. The UK data was also not as per expectations, whereas the UK data was much worse as compared to the European data front. We had a Q3 GDP data which came in lower than forecast. Despite there being forecasted a slight slowdown to a decline in the GDP growth, we saw even worse data coming out. So the markets reacted pretty negatively to this. Today we have the pound weakening against the Indian rupee as well by around 0.5%. Also, we have slight increase in the public borrowing data. So again, all in all, there are certain cracks showing in the UK economy, which could turn out to be problematic for them in the coming days. Right now, though GBP is holding at 1.63 levels, that is the recent highs, but still we could see a fall from those levels in the near future. Currently, GBP against the Indian rupee has come down from lifetime highs around 89.49. We recommend that sell at current levels with a stop loss of 89.49. The Japanese yen appreciated a lot on the basis of the monetary easing policy that came out. Markets tended to have overreacted on this data, and we saw a lot of appreciation in the Japanese yen. But now we are seeing that overreaction being corrected, and right now the Japanese yen is correcting in value against the US dollar and against the Indian rupee as well. We are seeing around 0.3 to 0.5% downside against the Indian rupee today. this downside would continue until the time we have some friction between the Japanese government and the Bank of Japan, which have different views on the inflation and the targeted USD JPY rates. So all in all, unless these issues are resolved, we could see the Japanese yen only appreciate based on the safe haven demand. So all in all, the views on Japanese yen is mixed, and we could only trade on technical levels wherein we see a good support or resistance level being broken. Currently, we recommend buy above a crucial support resistance level, which is 65.61 in the spot. Thank you.